My name is Victor Bautista Martinez. I'm here for 16 years. I'm working with the Guardian Roofing. When I started here, I know anything from nothing for the roof. So yes, I started, and I remember all the time because they sent me to 1212, and I can't go over there in the roof because I'm scared. That's how I remember. The thing is, the Guardian is they take care of us to work. They take care for everything. They give us to the cars to drive to go work and come home. And then most times they take care of us to be safe on the roof. And we come home, you know. Or not very good boss and all be nice to me, so I'm happy, you know. That's why I never think to left. This is a good company, you know. They have a work for us and they pay good. I'm happy working with Guardian. I plan to be here wherever they can work. I come and work. Go Guardian.